Hello friends, hi YouTube, hi my little clowns. I'm so excited. I asked absolutely wonderful, amazing Shani to do a collab with me, and she, like the amazing person she is, she said yes. And so we decided we were gonna play with the Nomad Love and Death palette that looks like this, and that we were gonna answer some spring this or that questions. So if you aren't already following her, which you should be, you should go check her out. She is so bubbly. She is so amazing. She's just probably, if not one of the best human beings to ever exist, to be quite perfectly honest. An absolute sweetheart, just amazing. So funny. Just like, I could sit here and go on about her for like hours and days at this point, to be quite perfectly honest. But yeah, go check her out. And if you haven't like checked me out, hi, my name is Nikki. I'm cute. Hi, check me out. But if you're new here, hi. I love to do fun, colorful makeup. Yeah. I don't remember what the rest of my intro is, but if you want to join my clown parade, my clown circus, we would love to have you. You should like, comment, subscribe, all that fun shazazz. And without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, it is like really windy and cold, and I just washed my hair, so I'm like freezing right now. But I'm so excited for today's video. I gotta do a collab with Shani, probably the most kindest, most amazing, most beautiful woman that you will ever freaking meet or know. I'm so excited for this, and I'm so glad that she said yes to doing this video with me. We're playing with the Nomad palette, the Verona one, which, yeah, and we're gonna do a spring this or that tag. I think I already said that in the intro, I don't know. Also, when I say it's windy, I mean it's windy, like it's 20 miles per hour type windy, so you know, such perfect weather to be doing a spring this or that tag. Okay, so while I'm doing this, I'm gonna answer a couple of them. The first one is tulips or daisies. Tulips, because those grow in our yard, and I love them. Hiking or kayaking? Can I go neither? I don't like to walk, and kayaking just ain't it. But I guess if I have to go with one, I'm gonna go with hiking, because there's a less chance of me, you know, falling in the water. Okay, so I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Balcony first. I'm going to put that in the crease. I'm going to do it in the crease, and then I put it in the outer corner. Whatever. My hands obviously have a very different idea of what I'm doing than my freaking brain does. I'm going to continue to add just a tad bit more shadow, because I want it to be just a little bit deeper than what it was. But I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of this color right here called Dagger, and put that in here. Again, I have no clue what I'm doing. I'm just like, you know, I'm existing right now, and that's okay. I don't know if I said this in the last video, but I got my job that I applied for, and I'm really happy and excited for it. Like, I'm so excited. It's gonna be so much fun. I get to work with kids. I get to do summer camp. Like, it's just, I'm shedding. It's gonna be a joy, and I'm so excited. I should do another question. Well, another thing. I'm using my iPad. Where are we at? Sundress or overalls? I don't think I own any overalls. And I don't think I own any sundresses. But if I had to go with one, sundress. It's a little bit more freeing. Flowers or plants? Plants, because I have a couple succulents back there. Rain boots or sandals? I'm gonna have to go with sandals because, I don't know. I don't like when my feet are confined. Unless I'm wearing socks. I don't know. I'm going over that dagger shade with the balcony shade again, just to make sure that I don't lose the pink. I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Juliet. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of Tomb and a little bit of Inferno in the crease part 2 with Dagger. Because, you know, why not, right? Why the hell not? Deepen it out a little. Because I want to keep it springy, but, like, obviously I have to make it crazy because I'm me. And I'm going to go in with the balcony shade again to just blend it all together. Also, I'm pretty sure I got one of like the really like hard pressed palettes, but I never did anything about it because I'm a person who just sucks it up. But I'm going to go in, like I said, with the shade Juliet right here. I'm going to be putting that all in here. Also, Goodbye Earl by the Dixie Chicks just came on. What a song. Okay, I'm going to go in with a little bit of this shade right here called Moors. And I'm going to put that right here. It's not really picking it up. I think that's because I'm out of spray on the brush. And I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of this shade right here called Cupid and put that in the inner corner, shaking it up, and then a little out here. And then taking the brush that I used with the mattes, just to sort of blend it all together. And I took a little bit more of the gold Moor shade and just plopped it in her. And again, just blending it out. Okay, so before I go into film a TikTok one, where was I? Pastels or neutrals? Do I look like a neutral type girl? No, pastels. Full send, all the way. April showers and Mayflowers. I mean, I love rain, but May is my birthday month, so I also feel like I have to go with that. But I love rain. So I'm going in the middle. Birds or butterflies? I'm scared of both. So I'm actually going neither because I ain't choosing either of those. I hate them both. I don't know what it is about butterflies that I don't like. I know that I've had multiple birds like swoop at me. So that's why I don't like birds. I used a different pair of lashes and I'm like, I'm feeling hot. Okay, I'm feeling hot. This is the ColourPop Text Me blush. Again, I think any of the blushes that I have are like extremely potent, which I love, but I'm not trying to be a clown today. With my hair like this, I feel like royalty, so I'm just like, I want to look like royalty, you know? And I think I'll go in with a little bit of the Unearthly Surrender blush palette from their Valentine's Day. If it's gonna be dark, I want it to like start raining, okay? Like, hurry the hell up. I'm going in with the shade Romantic. And maybe a little bit of Passionate too, because why not, you know? Why not? And I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Master Holographic highlighter because it has a little bit of a pink like undertone. And I just think that'll go really well with this. This used to be my mom's, and it's also really old. It is the NYC Smooch Proof Lip Stain. I just don't have a lot of lip colors, and I wanted something just to have it more subdued, I guess. I don't know. All of my other pink ones are just like really bright. And I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Rem Beauty lip oil, and I think this is raspberry drip. I haven't used this in so long. This used to be my like, I used to wear it all the time. But it's very subtle, so. I also love the packaging for this. Like, it's so cute. Now the under eyes. What should we do with the under eyes? Huh? I think we'll maybe go in with a little bit of the shade Balcony and the shade Paradise here on the under eye. If I can find the brush. Now I'm going to start with the shade Balcony and go out here and just drag it in. About halfway, and then I'll go in with the Paradise shade. And I'll go in with a little bit of the Dagger shade too, just because, just to kind of pull it all together a tad bit more. Yeah. And then I think for the inner corner highlight, I'm going to go in with the shade right here called Cupid. And, you know, like I said, pop that in the eye. And this is the final completed look. I love it. I think I have a few more questions, a few more things to answer though. Yeah, cleaning or plain? I do like to clean. Even though my room can be like a huge disaster sometimes, I do genuinely like to clean. Does that make me weird? I don't know. Umbrella or hat? I've been told I have a hat head. I don't know. I'll just go with hat. Sunshine or rain? I am a slut for rain, for thunderstorms, for any sort of like, you know, like all that. This was fun. I love doing these questions. I love doing this. Shani, again, thank you so much for doing this with me and for like, you know, like, I just thank you. My outro. Don't be shitty, don't be a piece of shit, don't be racist, don't be transphobic. It is so much easier to be kinder and nicer and to ignore the things that you do not understand, that you do not get. You know, it takes a whole hell of a lot and less energy to be a dick than it does to just be kind. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't even know. I'm just like spewing things out of my mouth at this point. But just be a good person, you know? It's not that difficult to be one. And I'm wishing you the most amazingest, wonderful weekend and week ahead.